Your boy Ola Tony here, and I'm here to show you one of the best forex strategy out there, which is called the TDI Hook strategy. Guys, you don't want to miss this strategy. Has a 90% win rate, guys. 90% win rate if done well. You understand? Everyone wants to be profitable, right? So if you want to be profitable, stay tuned and watch the video. Let's dive in. On the GBP/USD chart on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, we have the charts and we have the TDI indicator below the chart. This strategy is called the TDI Hook strategy. I'm going to show you how this works. Basically, let me just do a quick introduction about this strategy. Basically, what we are doing is that we are using the TDI to catch divergence in the market. We use the TDI indicator and the price chart to confirm the divergence. Then we use our TDI for entry. But after the entry, we take our risk reward and we exit the market, because we are looking for high probability trade, guys. We're looking for a 90% win rate. That's what we are. That's our goal here. I have backtested this strategy, guys, more than 50 times, guys, and I can guarantee you this has a 90% win rate if it's done well. If it's done well, guys. If it's done well. You can use this strategy to grow any type of account, prop firm, any small account, or you want to do any challenge or anything. This is the best for you. Let's dive in. So, but one thing, I will just explain the strategy now. Then after that, I will show you how I got the TDI indicator and thereabout. Let me explain how it works basically. So first, before you know how it works, you need to understand what is a divergence in the market. A divergence basically means when the price in the market and the price from the indicator is giving us opposite signals. That's when we know that there's a divergence. Understand? Sometimes divergence might give us a lower high and the TDI indicator might give us a higher high. Understand? That's a divergence. Or sometimes the price may give us a double bottom and the TDI indicator may give us a higher low. You understand what I'm saying? So that's just basically, but we'll put that to practice right now. Let's see what we have here. This is the current GBP/USD chart. Just start them afresh. Let's just take things back. Let's just back there so that you guys should see what I'm saying, guys. So I think let's go back. Let's go back. Load pretty quick. Let's just start from here. Let's just start from somewhere here. Let's just start from here. What we're going to do right now is that we're just looking for divergence in the market, and we're using our TDI indicator to confirm divergence. Most of you that don't know anything about divergence, or if you've not heard about it, don't worry, I'll explain it to you guys. Let me search for divergence on the market. Let me search, and that's clean. I'm looking for divergence. It's something that doesn't come often. So if it's something that doesn't come often, guys, you guys should know that this is a high probability setup. I found one. From here, I think we have a double bottom here. We have a double bottom here. We adjust it. I think we have a double bottom here. What's our TDI showing us? Our TDI is giving us a bullish divergence. You see, because on the norms, the TDI should have given us a double bottom too. But if it's giving us opposites, just know that's a divergence. Whether bullish, bearish, double bottom, or anything you can call it, guys. I'm trying to keep this thing basic. What really matters in the market is to make profit. Anytime you see that what the market and what the TDI is showing you is opposite, just know it's a divergence. What can we see here? We have another one here. Is a divergence here. Now, since we've spotted divergence, the next question will be, how do we enter this trade? I'm going to show you how you enter this trade right now. You enter this trade when you see this green moving average crosses this red. When it crosses it here, the entry will be where? Here. This is our entry. Enter for a long. The long we are entering for our 1-to-2. Guys, just go for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. If you go for a 1-to-2 risk reward, I can guarantee you this strategy is 90% accurate. If you can go for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, so we had our 1-to-2. It came very smoothly, with ease. That's how you should trade. You should trade with ease. Like, you should have that sense of comfortability that, don't worry, when I see this setup, this is going to win. That's how it should be. Not when you enter a trade, you log in back to check the price. So no, when you enter a trade like this, you just enter the trade, set your stop loss, set your take profit, go play around. Understand? That's how to trade now. That's how to trade, guys. You should enter like a sniper. And when you have a good strategy like this TDI, like this TDI hook strategy, this is the best you can ever find, guys. This is the best. And I still have my NBA strategy. That one is a killer. That one has a 95% win rate. Guys, check my previous videos about that. I'll still do more videos on that so that you guys can know that these are the best, because I don't just talk about any other strategy here on this channel. I talk about what works and what I've tried and what is very excellent, what I guarantee good risk reward ratio, because everybody knows that the market is just all about probabilities. Nobody know, nobody know 100%. Maybe the market is going to buy from here, sell from here, or do any other thing, or we are just guessing. But now every good trader just needs is that we just need to know how to guess right. And how do you know how to guess right? When you have a good strategy and when you have a good risk management. You understand? If you have that setting and a good mindset and psychology, if that is ready, the moon is just the starting point. You understand? Let's take more examples. Let's look for more divergences in the market. Let's look for more. I'm searching, right? I'm searching. I think we had one here, but this is a loss though. We had one here. No, we didn't. So guys, see, be careful. Be very careful. You see, I made this mistake because I tried to look at it without drawing the trend line. So guys, please draw your trend line. Draw your trend line, because I don't want any of us to lose money. Because the only way we can lose money in this strategy is by making this silly mistake. But just follow the guidelines. When you identify a divergence, or maybe because sometimes the price might look like one and might not be, something like this. Let me show you. This is what I saw. See, this is a bit tricky. See, this gave us like something like a double bottom, like a double top, but the market also created something like that here. If we look closely, the market created something like that here. The market created something similar to that here. You see, this is not a divergence, guys. Be careful. Be very careful. You see, it never came. Very careful. Let's look for more opportunities. I think we have one here. There's a divergence here. You can see the market is giving us a bullish momentum. How was the TDI giving us? It's giving us, this is a double bottom. This is giving us a double bottom. You can see what I'm saying, guys. What does that tells us? A divergence. Whenever you see a crossing, when this blue moving average crosses the red, that is when you should enter. It crosses it on this candle. Entry should be here. You enter here. So you enter here. Then your stop loss should be on that low, the low that created that move. That's where your stop loss should be. You can see the price came down, but it never took us out. You see, stop loss was here. Then what was our target? 1 to 2. 1 to 2, guys. 1 to 2. You see, boom, our take profit was hit before the market went down. You see why I told you go for 1 to 2. Don't be greedy, guys, because there's sometimes the market might give you up to 1 to 10, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 8, but you will thank yourself when you stick with a 1 to 2 risk reward on this strategy. You understand? Don't just be greedy. Don't let the market get into you. You understand? You should be the one in control of the market. You understand? Don't let the market push you to do what you don't usually do. Don't let the market make you break your rules. If you break your rules, you'll be naked. And when you're naked, what does the market happen? What happens to the market? You lose all your money. You understand? That's why fear, greed, and all of that stuff come into play. Let's look for more opportunities. Let's look for more opportunities. No, guys, you just have to just take your time, understand, and try this, guys. Before you try this strategy, please try this on your demo, because there's no how you want to start doing this. You would make mistakes. You are going to make mistakes, so try it on your demo first, so that any mistake you're going to make, you can correct it immediately. When you know you are good to go, you can start with your live account or pick up any challenge and see you at the top. And if you have any questions, you can comment below. And if you like what I'm doing, if you feel like you want to support me, please like, subscribe, share this video. I appreciate it so much. So we have an opportunity here. I can see it's giving us a kind of giving us a bullish vibe here. And what is the market saying here? The market is telling us that the TDI indicator is telling us that the market is going down. You can see it's a divergence, guys. You just have to just open your eyes to see all these things. You understand? Let's see where the crossing happened. Crossing happened here. We enter our trade here on the next candle after the crossing. Go for what? A short. I don't know how I do. Click that place. Go for what? A short. Go for a short. Go for a short. Then your stop loss above that high. Couple of above the high. Then go for our 1 to 2 reach reward. What do we have? Market fell, and now we won our trade. We won our trade. We won our trade. See, guys, this is very, very smooth and interesting. We just have to be patient and be careful. Don't just jump into trade. Please use your trend line to see that clearly a divergence happened, because sometimes it might be tricky. Let's take more examples. We have a perfect one here. We have a divergence here. I have a divergence here. I have a divergence here. You can see a divergence occurred. Where will our entry be? This will be our entry point when we see the crossing. As you see why the TDI indicator is very helpful. You see, the crossing almost happened here, but it never happened. But the crossing finally happened here. Bring this one out like that. The crossing finally happened here. We will enter here. Where will our stop loss be? Below this. Below. Simple and short. Not too much, guys. Don't be greedy. Just go for your 1 to 2. Go for your 1 2 2. Just go for your 1 to 2. So let's say here. And see, sweet and easy. No stress. No stress. You don't need to be scared. Just use a strategy, take your trade, and you're out of the market. So I think we have done how many trades right now? I think we've done 3 or 4, and we have back-to-back wins. You see, guys, I've never selected a trade. I just went a couple of trade back the current chart and we started trading. Let's take one more example, and we'll call it a day. Let's take one more example. We had one here. It should be the final one. Divergence here. Let me see. This wasn't a divergence, guys. I'm doing all this. Let's see. This is a divergence. Let's see. This is divergence. This is a divergence. You see, this is a double top. I told you, draw your trend line. Please draw your trend line to confirm. Draw your trend line to confirm, because it can be deceiving if you feel like maybe you can just see it from merely looking at the market. No, draw your trend line, because a trend line is a straight line tool, which if there's a divergence, you will know. Understand? It's not something that can bend or anything. No, it's something that's very straight, which can predict, which can give you a very accurate direction on where the market is going to. So this is a divergence here. It is a divergence here. Entry B, the crossing happened where? Crossing happened here. Entry here, 1 to 2, and we are out of the market. 1 to 2, and we are out of the market, man. 1 to 2. Where's this one? You just take your 1 to 2. See, guys, take your 1 to 2. We are out of the market. Put your stop loss here. Then let's see what happened. Profit. See, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I hope you learn so much. If you want to see more video like this, if you really like what I do, please like, subscribe, share this video, and comment down below if you have questions, or you want me to do any other video, or you have a strategy in mind or anything, just let me know. I have more and more content coming up, guys. You can check, and also you can check other of my videos. I have another powerful strategy which is called my NBA strategy. It's a strategy which I created, and guys, this strategy works wonders. It works wonders. Check it out if you want to see more of this. Thank you so much for watching.